Welcome to Tobar's Realm. Today I am going to unbox the HDP 50 CO2 powered 50 caliber pistol. I bought this on eBay for $90. I also bought additional rubber pellets. It's 100 in there. And then also a box of 40 of the 12-gram CO2 cartridges. Altogether it was $150. It was $90 for the pistol and about $50 for both the additional pellets and the CO2 cartridges. In the box included is 10 of the pepper rounds and 10 of the rubber ball rounds. It has some of the stats on the back. Is made in Taiwan, so if you want to get one, you might want to do it sooner rather than later. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright, so we got it open. Let's pull it out. I did open it up and take a look at it yesterday, and I'm impressed with how hefty it is. It doesn't feel like just a toy gun. It feels pretty close to what my Glock 17 feels like. It is heavier in the grip than in the barrel and slide area. Has really nice sights on it too with the fiber optic. You can really get a good picture on there. It does have like the slide release and a magazine release, but fake button. They don't actually do anything, which I guess that's fine. To load it, just has a follower spring right here, and you load them in right there, and then you can release that follower spring. Little Picatinny rail on the bottom if you wanted to mount something there. It's got the trigger safety, and then on the bottom where you load the CO2 cartridges, you just open these up, put the cartridge in. There's a little metal pin there that would puncture the CO2 cartridge just by hitting the top of this little plunger here. And when the system's charged, this little button will pop out, indicating that it is pressurized. Semi-automatic, 6-round capacity. Said it feels really good. I haven't shot it yet. I just took it out and looked at it yesterday, and I'm impressed. For $90, that feels good. It is a little odd that you don't pull the slide. Kind of just such a natural thing to do when you're shooting a normal pistol, but I don't think it'll be that hard to get used to. And then some of the other odds and ends that come with it. Of course, the instruction manual with the safety instructions and operator's guide. Shows you how to do all that stuff. Comes with a plunger for the barrel, I guess, if it gets gummed up with, well, I guess from the pepper rounds, or I know you can get like chalk balls for this too. I don't know if there's other kinds of ammunition, but just a barrel cleaning plunger. Nice sticker. wrench for the CO2 cartridge lid. And then, let's see, which ones are these? These are the pepper rounds. So I don't think I'm going to mess with those. I only have 10 of them. I bought extra of the rubber balls. And then it came with 10 of the rubberized balls. Came with it. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the quality and the price. Looking forward to seeing how it works out when I go take it outside to do a few shots. From other videos I've seen, you should get around 30 or 40 shots with one cartridge. I guess I'll find out and let you know. But so far, so good. Oh, something else. When I was reading through the directions, I noticed that there is one part in the maintenance and care section that said you should put 1 drop of air tool oil. I guess that's just to help lubricate and probably helps with the seal on that, and then also 1 drop in that follower slide. It says RWS air chamber lube, so I'm just going to use some of my air powered lube, air tool lube. 1 drop on that. Alright, so I got the target set up. I do have the balls loaded in there. You can see them inside there. I do have the canister, the CO2 in there, but I've not activated it yet, so should just have to hit the bottom and that'll pressurize it. So let's try it out. Okay, didn't make any noise or anything, but I did see that this little tab came out. I'm about 30 feet away, so let's try it out and see how it goes. I'm gonna aim for center mass on that target. Well, that was pretty easy. Really no recoil. I don't know why I anticipated there would be, but there really wasn't. And those pellets were traveling slow enough that you could see them in the air. And I think the aiming went pretty well. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went about I guess maybe 6 inches from center on the furthest one, but I wasn't trying to be super accurate, just trying it out. So I'm gonna load up some more and see how many I get out of this CO2 canister. And then to load it, just slide and lock that follower spring back. Drop them in. 2, 3. These balls have a really odd smell to them. Kind of like rubber and synthetic grape is actually what it smells like to me. Release that follower spring. we go, pretty easy. Not bad, from 30 feet away, all of them pretty close to target. I like it. Well, after just taking a few shots with it and feels like it's quality, super easy to shoot it. There was hardly any noise, no recoil. I'm impressed. I like it. I think my wife's really gonna like it too. She doesn't like shooting the larger caliber guns that much. She likes her 22 the best, so I think she's gonna like this one. It has the feel of a bigger gun, but without the recoil or the loud noise and all that kind of stuff that comes along with it. So far so good on this thing. I'm impressed. So hopefully this was useful information for someone out there, and we'll see you next time.